Maha Cartoon TV.
Lazy Servant. In a village, there lived a boy named Chandu. He had a new marriage, from which he was dreaming of beautiful dreams of his wife, Sunita.
Sunita.
Yes, what is it?
Uncle, why are you blushing so much, huh? If you keep on speaking like this, then your train will be missed.
Shut up, kid. Go from here. Don't you know? When two elders are talking, the younger ones do not have to speak in between. Go from here.
I am going. Take care of him, auntie. He shouldn't miss his train again.
Go from here, or else I will complain to your father. Go.
Will you drop me at my father's place on the way to your office?
Yes. By the way, do you have anything else to say?
No.
After this, Chandu and Sunita left for Sunita's father's house, sitting on the bike. From there, Chandu left for his office.
Sunita,
Yes,
how is my father-in-law?
he is fine.
Good. And how is mother-in-law?
She is also fine.
Well, this is also very good. And how is your brother?
All are good. How are you?
I am very good. By the way, when will you return from there?
I will stay here today. Amma asked me to stay. That's why.
All right.
Yes, Amma is calling me. Shall I go?
No, I don't want to let you go. Yes, you can go and take care of yourself. Bye.
Yes, and you too. Bye.
Sunita and Chandu talked on the phone, but Chandu remained restless throughout the night.
What happened, my son? Why are you looking so dull?
Nothing, Mom.
By the way, I know very well what's going on in your mind.
What's going on?
Fog is going on, my son.
Stop it, Mom. This thing has become very old. Now let me go. I am getting late for the office.
My dear son, I know very well that without my daughter-in-law, your mind worth nothing.
Stop it, Mom.
Sad Chandu reached the office, but he was lost in his wife's dream. Mr. Sinha, are you listening to me? This is the office, not your home.
Sorry, boss.
Never do this again.
I had said the same thing to you, idiot. Yes, sir.
What is the status of that monthly report?
Oh, that report is incomplete. What should I do now?
Chandu, what is the status of that monthly report?
Sir.
Not that, monthly report.
Sir, you will get the monthly report by today.
Okay. Not knowing while working, it was 6:30 in the evening and it was the time for leave, but the report work was still not completed. Chandu, you were about to give me the monthly report.
Sir, I am not feeling well today, but I will mail you. I promise.
Okay, today I am tolerating it, but it will not work in future.
Yes, sir.
After finishing the work, Chandu went home.
Oh, you have come, my son. We were all waiting for you. By the way, why did it take so long, huh?
I had some work today, Mom. That's why I got late.
Oh, I got it. Honey, meet him. This is Shambhu. He has come from Sunita's house to live with us.
You are Sunita's brother.
No, my dear. He is not her brother. He is the servant of their house.
What happened, brother-in-law?
Nothing.
Son, Sunita was saying that Shambhu is very dear in her house. They considered him a son, not a servant.
Well, Shambhu, you work, right?
Brother-in-law, I know all the work, whether it's sweeping or cooking.
Wow, that's great.
Don't you worry, auntie. Now I have come. I will take care of you and everyone.
Man, this is good. Now I will make him do all my work.
Chandu had no idea that he was going to have bad days. Not good.
Mom, I am feeling very hungry. Tell me, what have you cooked?
My dear son, I haven't cooked anything.
What? But why?
Hey son, don't be upset. Shambhu has come. He will prepare food quickly.
Okay, brother. Hurry up.
Yes, brother. But what should I make?
Anything, whatever takes less time.
Okay, but what item should I cook?
Oh, brother, make anything. Make some vegetable. Make paneer.
Brother-in-law, there is no paneer. Have to bring it from the market.
Well then, make dum aloo.
Brother-in-law, it's really difficult to make dum aloo.
What is this? Does he know anything or not? He's just eating my brain. Brother, make whatever which is easy for you.
Can't you say that at first? You have wasted my time and yours too.
Mom, are you watching this? He is misbehaving now. We told him to make anything.
My dear Chandu, leave it. He is just a kid. Forgive him. Hey, both of you, why are you crying?
Hey, Sunita, why are you crying?
You scolded Shambhu. I didn't like it.
Hey, first thing, you don't cry. It's not good for you. Secondly, I just told Shambhu to make something, anything for dinner.
Shambhu always devises one such trick to avoid work. We were shocked to see Shambhu like this.
Hey, Shambhu, what are you doing?
Shambhu, you are watching cartoon? We didn't think you would be so drowsy.
Sister, auntie, I didn't do anything.
If you didn't, then who did it? Don't make us fool. You bowed our heads in shame.
But sister,
There is nothing left to say. You just go from here. I will complain about you to Amma and Papa. Get out of here now.
Trying to be over smart. Now he will realize his mistake of being so lazy.
troubled by Shambhu's incompetence, Sunita threw him out of the house, which made Chandu very happy. But his happiness also did not last long because he had to do all the work by himself.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.